Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing a little bit of a different recipe with you guys. I'm not going to be doing a Thai or Mexican recipe, and instead I'm going to be sharing my favorite ways to eat toast. So I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary loaf of bread and elevate it so it's sophisticated yet still easy to make. These recipes are perfect for brunch or upcoming Mother's Day. Hint, hint. I'll be showing you 3 different ways, and they just require some extra touches just to take it up to that next level. All right, you guys, let's get started. So the first toast that we're going to be doing is the beloved avocado toast, probably my favorite one. So go ahead and slice your bread. I'm using, make sure your bread is closed. I'm using sourdough and I just have it lightly toasted. And I'm actually going to peel the avocado so I can make some nice thin slices. Another option would be to smash the avocado kind of on top of the toast. But I really like the way the thin slices look. So once your avocado is peeled, just kind of go in with a sharp knife and just make thin slices all across the avocado. And then go ahead and layer it onto your toast. I'm actually going to put some of the smaller pieces on the edge just because that's how the toast is shaped, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So the next thing we want to do is season the avocado. Very important. So I'm going to do a little bit of salt as well as my favorite everything but the bagel seasoning. You can get this at Aldi's or Trader Joe's. Actually, most grocery stores have it. And then I have some fresh arugula that I just rinsed. I love arugula because it has that kind of peppery bite to it, which just gives it another level of flavor to the avocado toast. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this Queen Creek olive oil. So use a high quality olive oil. Again, we're going to season each layer so that way it just has all the flavors. And I'm going to add a little bit of pepper flakes for some heat, or you could do some crushed black pepper. And then again, a little bit more salt. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, it's going to be totally worth it. So I just have an egg that I kind of fried up over easy. Just however you like your eggs. You can do scrambled, soft-boiled, poached. And I'm going to season it with a little bit more salt and some black pepper. And then here I have these beautiful rainbow microgreens. I got these at Sprouts. They're just, I don't know, they just kind of make the garnish look that much prettier. So I'm just putting a little bit of these on top for some color, and look how beautiful this avocado toast is. I promise you, you'll love it. Okay, so the next one is a lox toast. So I'm putting some cream cheese. I like to use either the softened cream cheese or the whipped cream cheese. It just makes it easier to spread on the bread. And the smoked salmon that I'm using is seasoned with dill and some other spices. You can just do regular smoked salmon too. But go ahead and put a layer of the smoked salmon, and then I'm doing some capers because salmon kind of is pretty salty, the smoked salmon, so it needs some acidity. You can also squeeze some lemon as well if you don't have capers. And then I did kind of a medium hard-boiled egg. Actually, I'm going to turn these over just so you can see the pretty yolks. They're nice bright yellow. I love farm fresh eggs. Again, another elevated touch. And then again, season your eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I'm going to put those beautiful rainbow microgreens on top for a garnish because I just love that extra pop of color of green and purple. You can put a little bit on the side as well to decorate the plate. And again, I'm going in with the high quality olive oil, just drizzle a little bit on top. Again, you don't need much salt because the salmon's already pretty salty, but just a bit to add that flavor. Look how beautiful. All right, you guys, we are moving on to the third and final toast. This is kind of a sweet toast. The other two have been kind of savory. I'm using peanut butter. You can use peanut butter, almond butter, whichever you prefer, but I absolutely love peanut butter. It's my weakness. So go ahead and spread an even layer of your favorite nut butter on your toast. And I have some thinly sliced green apples. So I am just layering that on top of the peanut butter. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some cinnamon. If you haven't had apples with cinnamon, you have to try it. It's so good, especially with peanut butter. And then this is some honey that I'm going to drizzle right on top for that extra touch of sweetness. All right, your peanut butter and apple toast is complete. All right, friends, so there you have it. 3 delicious ways to elevate your toast. Like I said, these would be perfect for brunch or just to kind of put a little extraness in your everyday breakfast. All right, you guys, which one would you dive in first? I think I'm gonna go for the avocado toast because that's my favorite. The crunch is really good. You guys, just adding those extra little touches just makes a world of a difference. So I hope you try one of these toast recipes out and be sure to leave me any comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.